Good morning children. How are you? Hope you are all doing good. Hope you are all fine. Children, in today's class I will be teaching you the poem in English one. Okay, The Balloon Man. So I want you all to be ready with your Sparrow Sem 1 textbook and take out page number 17. Okay, be ready with your textbook and take out page number 17. Okay children? Yes. So English 1. So this is the name of the lesson. The Balloon Man is a poem. So what is the name of the poem? The Balloon Man. There are some new words in this poem. So let us go through. Okay. So market square. So what is the meaning of market square? An open area in a town where a market is held. Okay. What is the meaning of market square, children? An open area. It is an open area in a town. So in a town where a market is held. So it is an open area in a town where a market is held. You have seen the market, no children? Yes. Next, tug. What is the meaning of tug? Pull. What is the meaning of tug? Pull. Sailing, floating in the air. So sailing, floating in the air. So market square, an open area in a town where a market is held. Okay. Tug. What is the meaning of tug? Pull. Sailing, floating in the air. So I want you to practice this meanings. Okay children. So now everyone be ready with your Sem 1 textbook and take out page number 17. 17. Be ready with the book and take out page number 17. Let me read the poem for you once. Okay. Lesson number 3. The Balloon Man. So the Balloon Man is poem. So as I read, your fingers should move. Okay children. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. Okay, this is the first stanza. So we move to the second stanza. They are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the cars and people get between. You see them shining far away. Okay, so we have completed the second stanza. Now shall we move on to the third stanza. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday perhaps he will let them go and we shall see them sailing high. And stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Okay, this poem is written by Rose Clement. Okay children. So Balloon Man. What is Balloon Man? One who sells a balloon. We call him as a Balloon Man. You can see a Balloon Man here, no children? Yes. So he is a Balloon Man. So one who sells a balloon, we call him as a Balloon Man. Okay. Here poet is discussing about a Balloon Man. He always comes on market days. So who is coming on market days? This Balloon Man. So this Balloon Man is always coming on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. So he always, this Balloon Man always he comes on a market days and he holds the balloons a lovely bunch. Can you see here? So holding a bunch of a balloon. Okay. And holds balloons a lovely bunch. Okay, it's a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays. Where does this Balloon Man stays? He stays in the market square. So what is the meaning of market square? An open area in a town where a market is held. So where the market is held, this Balloon Man is staying there. And never seems to think of lunch. This Balloon Man never he used to think of his lunch. Okay. He always comes on market days. So this Balloon Man he always comes on the market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. So he is holding a lovely bunch of balloons. And in the market square he stays. Where does this balloon man stay, children? This balloon man stays in the market square and never seems to think of lunch. This balloon man never think of his lunch. Okay, next. They are red and purple, blue and green. You can see the children, you can see the, so you can see the color of balloons here. So they are red, purple, blue and green. So they are red and purple, blue and green. So the balloons are red, purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, so when it is very sunny day, the cars and people get between. So when it is very sunny, the cars and people. The carts means you can, when you go to a market, you can see many carts like vegetable carts, fruits carts, many things will be there, no? So when it is very sunny day, the cars and people are getting in between the market. Okay, the vegetable carts, the fruits carts and the people. You can see many peoples and the cars in the market, no? So when it is a very sunny day, the cars and people get in between the market. You see them shining far away. Even it is a sunny day, even the peoples and the cars are getting in between also. Even these balloons are shining far away. Even when the cars and the peoples are getting in between the market also, these balloons are shining far away. And some are big and some are small. So how the balloons are? Some are big and some are small. So the balloons are, some are big and some are small. And tied together with a string. You can see it is all tied together with a string. So all the balloons are tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, so when there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. When there is a wind, when there is a air, no, they tug, and when the balloon man is holding a bunch of balloons, they tug and tug like anything. It will pull. If there is a wind, what will happen? It will tug and tug like anything. If you are holding an umbrella when it is raining, if it is wind, so what will happen? It will turn, no? So same, it will tug and tug in the same way. When there is a wind, the balloons tug and tug like anything. Someday perhaps he will let them go. So sometimes what this balloon man will do, sometimes he will leave the balloons to fly high. So the poet says here, someday perhaps he will let them go. So someday, so sometimes he will let the balloons fly away. And we shall see them sailing high. So even we all can see when it is flying, we all can see this sailing high. Sailing high means it is floating in the air. So when you leave the balloons, what it will happen? It will float in the air. And stand and watch them from below. When it is sailing, all these children are standing and watching them from below. When the balloons are flying, no, all these children are standing and watching from the below. They would look pretty in the sky. So when the balloons are floating in the air, no, when the balloons are floating in the air, it's look very pretty in the sky. So it's look very pretty in the sky. Okay. This poem was written by Rose Clement. Okay, children. Let me read the poem again for you. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, the cars and people get between. You see them shining far away. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday perhaps he will let them go and we shall see them sailing high. And stand and watch them from below and would look pretty in the sky. Okay, this poet is explaining about a balloon man. This poem is written by the Rose Clement. So I want you all to practice this poem. Try to read the poem and try to read the meanings. Okay children, in case if you have any doubt regarding this poem, you can ask me in the interactive session. So I want you all to be ready with your Sparrow Sem 1 textbook. So take out Sparrow Sem 1 textbook and take out page number. Okay, page number 18. So take out page number 18 and be ready with your pencil. Okay children, I want you to take out your Sparrow Sem 1 textbook and be ready with your pencil. We'll start doing the exercise part. Okay children, yes. First main, exercise A. Choose the correct answer. The balloon man can be found. So here there is an option. We need to choose the correct option. In the balloon shop, in the market square, in the park. So where did the balloon can be found, children? In the market square. So for the B, you can tick next to this sentence. Okay, B1. Okay, the option B is correct. Next, what does the line "and never seems to think of lunch" mean? So what does the line "and never seems to think of lunch" mean? Option A, the balloon man never has lunch. He eats his lunch before coming to the market. He is so busy that he has no time for anything else. So which is the correct option, children? Option C. Okay. He is so busy that he has no time for anything else. So tick for the option C next to the sentence. Next. What happens on a sunny day? What happens on a sunny day? No one sees the balloon. The carts and people run away. The carts and people get between and you can see the balloons shining far away. So what happens on the sunny day, children? The carts and people get between and you can see the balloons shining far away. So option C is correct. Tick to the next sentence of option C. Okay. Next, fourth one. Okay children. The poet hopes that the balloon man will let all the balloons fly in the sky. The balloon man will distribute the balloons among the children. The balloon man will stop selling balloons. So which is the correct option, children? Option A. Okay. The balloon man will let all the balloons fly in the sky. So option A is correct. Tick to the option A next to the sentence. Okay. First one, option B is correct. Second one, option C. Third one again, option C you need to tick. Fourth one, option A. Okay. Shall we move to the next page, children? Okay. Next page, fifth one. Okay, children. Fifth one. Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? The poet plans to buy the balloons and let them go. The poet is sure that the balloon man will let the balloons go. The balloon man will not let the balloons go. So which is the correct option, children? The poet is sure that the balloon man will let the balloons go. Option B. Okay. Option B is correct. Okay. So here we have completed exercise A. Now shall we move on to the exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Okay. The balloon man comes on dash. So when does the balloon man comes, children? The balloon man comes on market days. So you have to touch this blue line and write neatly small letter market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market days. DAYS. So it should not come out of the line. Okay, you should touch the line and write. Okay, children. Next, the balloon man stays in the dash. So the balloon man stays in the dash. Where does the balloon man stays, children? So he stays in the market square. So you can start here only market. M should be small letter. MARKET. Market, leaves of space. Square. SQUARE. Market square. Okay. The color of the balloons are dash, dash, dash and dash. What are the colors of the balloons, children? The colors of the balloons are, in the first one write red. RED, red. In the next you write purple. 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 Okay. Blue. BLUE, blue. And green. GREEN, green. Okay, the colors of the balloons are red, purple, blue and green. Okay, next, fourth one. On a sunny day we can see the balloons dash away. On a sunny day we can see the balloons shining far away. Okay, S should be small letter. SHINING, shining far. FAR, shining far. So on a sunny day we can see the balloons shining far away. Okay, next, fifth one. Some balloons are dash and some are dash. Some balloons are big and some are small. So in the first you write big. BIG, big. And some are small. SMALL, small. Okay. Some balloons are big and some are small. Next, the balloons start to tug when there is a, so the balloons start to tug when there is a wind. WIND, wind. Okay. So here we have completed the exercise B. So shall we move on to the exercise C, children? Yes. In each of the words below, one letter is missing twice. Write the letters and complete the words. Okay. So in each of the word, the letter is missing. Two letters are missing. We need to complete this word. Okay. BA blank OON. What is this, children? Can you guess? Balloon. So here we need to write L. BALLOON. Balloon. Next. CA-OT. Can you guess, children? CA, what we need to write here? What letter we need to write? CARR. Okay. CARROT. Carrot. Next. HA-Y. HAPPY. HAPPY. What is HAPPY? Happy. Next, A-LES. APPLES. APPLES. What, children? Apples. 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 You need to write the small letter, children. Okay, next. TO-E. So what we need to write here, children? Toffee. So small f. Okay. TOFFEE. Toffee. Balloon. Carrot. Happy. Apples. Toffee. Okay, children. So shall we move on to the next? Turn the page. Okay, exercise D is talking about the shopping. Okay, so you need to read by yourself this main. Okay, next. Okay, creative writing. So exercise is creative writing. Imagine you are the animals in the box. Write what you would like to do. So imagine, you have to imagine you are the animals. Imagine you are the animals in this box and write what you would like to do. What you would like to do, you need to write here. For example, they have given one example for peacock. If I were a peacock, I would dance in the rain. So if I were a peacock, I would dance in the rain. So like this you have to write for lion, eagle, giraffe, fox. For all these 4 animals you need to write your own sentence. So they have given you the one example. By seeing this you can write all other 4. Okay, exercise E will be doing by yourself. Okay, exercise E you have to do by yourself. Okay children, in today's class we have completed the exercise part of lesson number 3, the Balloon Man poem. So here we have completed exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. So you have to read the exercise D and exercise E you have to do by yourself. Okay. So I'll be checking the exercise part in the interactive session. I want all the children to complete the exercise part. So when you're writing, you have to say and write neatly children. Okay. Thank you.